Today I'm going to show you how to change a setting that, if you haven't noticed it yet, was changed with the new iOS 26 update. So check this out. I'm typing here and the letters don't show up the why they use it too. It's a bit weird, right? Unless I found is strange and I am guessing you did too. That's probably why you're watching this video. Anyway, I'll show you how to fix it really easy. What happened is that this feature is now turned off by default. Go into settings, then head over keyboard. Now look at this box right here. This option is unnet. Before the update is was enabled by default. All you have to do is turn it back on, and now as you can see, when I type, the letter in prison shows up well like it used to. That is UV activity to option you bring it back. So if things fell a bit off while typing, this may be why. You can either turn it back on if you like how it worked before, or just leave it off if you prefer the new default. Easy as that.